Hi everyone and welcome to wsignature.com. In this video, we'll be learning how to make ugu juice, which is also fluted pumpkin leaf juice. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family and feel free to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates, okay? Now let's get started. Now, ugu juice is a nutritious drink that contains the necessary vitamins and minerals needed for the body to function properly. It's also known to have medicinal properties which have been used for centuries in treating and managing several ailments. Now, these nutritional and beneficial components are definitely important in the well-being of the body. One major way to enjoy the benefits of this plant is by making the juice. It's quite easy and straightforward, as I'm about to show you right now. So to begin, I'll start by rinsing the leaves, and after rinsing the leaves, I will blanch the leaves in hot water for about 1 minute. This helps get rid of most of the bacteria that might be in the leaves after rinsing. Just blanch it for about 1 minute, and it also makes the leaves soft so that when I start blending it, it makes the blending easy. Place the leaves in a blender and add clean water into the blender. The leaves will be blended with the water and strained with a strainer. I'm using a small strainer to strain the liquid. Once the juice is strained, I'll be adding honey. Now, this juice can be sweetened with honey, or if you want it to be more effective in, blood production. Now, if you're using it as a blood booster, it helps to add orange or lime to help in iron absorption. With milk, it won't really help with iron absorption, but it's really nice and creamy. For real iron absorption, it's best to add like a citrus juice, such as orange or lime or lemon, to help in iron absorption. Now, ugu leaves boosts red blood cell production, and it's always recommended for patients who suffer from a shortage of blood, such as anemia, due to the effect of certain illnesses. Now, the presence of iron and other minerals in it contribute to the boosting of blood in the body system and also prevents anemia by making the body produce more blood. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.